Have you ever regretted something you did and wished that you could go back in time to prevent your mistake? Here's your chance to do just that, big time. Change the course of history in the greatest adventure of human history, the colonization of America. In this game you will be appointed Viceroy of the land you are yet to colonize, and you're going to compete with other Viceroys, namely the other players. The goal is to amass the largest amount of citizens living in your state. Together you can create the greatest realm that has ever existed. At your disposal you have a state-of-the-art map for this time. It has been made by forging maps together, such as the Piri Reis map. Maps gathered by spies from all the maritime countries in Europe, and old Viking maps showing the northern route to the New World. You will bring settlers such as hunters, fishermen, farmers, builders, pelters, domestic people, etc. And of course ships to bring them and all they need to the New World. The northern part of the continent features an abundance of food resources, something you fishermen and hunters will take great advantage of to your settlers' delight. The sea is full of fish like cod, haddock and salmon, but you need to make some money and buy a fishing boat to catch them. And the land is bursting of life, many animals that your settlers has never laid their eyes on before. And what about this little guy, the lumberjack of nature? He may not seem significant in this company, but will make you a fortune. Beaver hats are insanely popular in Europe at this time, and in Wemerica, beavers are everywhere. You will build up settlements, and your settlers will farm the land, fish and hunt, and gather knowledge of the surroundings. You will bring oat seeds to start your first crop, and then you have to get indigenous crops. Your settlers will engage in trading and the noble art of barter with the neighboring indigenous tribes, make friends and allies, and together build a prosperous state to be reckoned with. Apart from the players, there are two major forces of destiny in Wemerica. The Thunderbird is the interpreter of fate and the guardian of the Wemerican realm. Its rulings can at times be perceived as erratic and unfair, but in its arsenal also luck and good fortune have a place. The second one is Wakantanka, the Great Spirit, who will guide you through your endeavor by visiting you in your dreams. Follow the advice given until you feel that you're ready to form your own strategy. Send settlers to build more settlements and continue to grow your state. Build wagons to transport goods to your ships and start exporting to the old world. Make tons of money, buy more ships, bring more settlers and items to barter with. I wish you the best of luck.